Hello, this Professor 627. Now, this video is about Third World UK that's coming like 2015 and over. Now, what's happening now because of austerity? The whole system's going down, the whole European system's going down, the whole world's going down, but we're talking about the UK now. George Osborne, I think April 2013, gave a speech and he said 2015 the cut's going to be extremely severe. So I think most of the people think you mean people on welfare, people on benefits. They cuts going to be severe. He don't mean that, man. He mean it's going to be harsh come 2015, right? On January 2014, what's going to happen now? They're going to allow the Romanians and the Bulgarians to come here. Now, I ain't got nothing against any Romanians and Bulgarians. I love Romanians and Bulgarians, especially the ladies. But what I'm trying to say now is they bringing them here on purpose to do something. What they gonna do? They gonna bring them here. Already there ain't enough jobs for UK people, so when they come here, they gonna be taking the jobs. So it's gonna cause problems. It's gonna cause tension, right? Naturally, yeah. Another thing they gonna do, they gonna give them welfare, right? So now they give them welfare. That means it's gonna cause an economic strain on the country, yes. So, but end of 2014, going to 2015, what are they going to say now? There's no more money for welfare. We're going to scrap welfare. That's it. That's why they bring them. That's part of the reason why they bring the Romanians and the Bulgarians here. Give them welfare, give them benefit, right? Then crash the system, crash the benefit system. So what you going to have 2015? I'll tell you what you're going to have. You're going to have massive civil unrest. That's what you're going to have. You might even be as bad as civil war, right? Yeah, that's what's going to happen. There's going to be chaos here, man. Chaos. You'll be fighting. That's what they call it, man. Order out of chaos. The New World Order. That's what they do. Order out of chaos. And at the end of all the chaos, they might redraw the whole map of Europe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what they're going to do. Yeah, redraw the map of Europe, say, there's no more France, there's no more Belgium, there's no more Italy, there's no more UK, and we're all going to be in zones. Yeah, it's already, if you go to the internet and check it out, you can see we're already in zones, but it just ain't been officially announced yet. Yeah, so that's what they're going to do. 2015, this country's going down. They already are hinting about our power blackout. They're going to cut the lights. Yeah, they're going to do that. There's going to be no light. How can anybody make progress if you don't have electricity? That's what it's all about. It's all about keeping the people down. And the technocrats at the top will have lights, yeah. You think the Queen in Buckingham Palace, she ain't going to have lights or electricity? Of course she's going to have lights and electricity. You think they have light and electricity in the House of Commons, the House of Lords, the House of Parliament? Of course they don't have light and electricity in the House of Commons and the House of Parliament and all these places. Yes, the ordinary folk ain't gonna have no light and electricity, so we can't make progress. So we down. They be laughing at us. We the serfs, we the scum, we